For over a decade, Social Solutions has been challenging and equipping organizations to turn good intent into measurable change by relating efforts to outcomes. Developed by human service professionals for human service professionals, our industry-leading product suite called Efforts to Outcomes, or ETO software, is in use at over 2,300 organizations in the United States and Canada. With ETO fundamentals, our customers are able to quickly implement a solution that empowers them to track efforts of their staff over time and clearly understand impact on their service population. ETO fundamentals comes packed with standard reports to demonstrate effectiveness to funders and other stakeholders.
The great thing about a web-based hosted application is that it's accessible from anywhere. So wherever your users are, they'll be able to gain access to enter data and retrieve data. The other great thing about it is that you're really not responsible for managing your own server environment. We do that for you. As your utilization of the tool grows, we can expand the server capacity. It's not something you're ever going to have to worry about or see. So it really lets you focus on what you're great at. It lets us focus on making sure that technology is there to meet your needs. The flexibility of ETO is a tremendous asset to the organizations who move forward with us, not only in being able to build the software to meet your current program management needs across a diverse set of needs that most organizations have, but as that organization changes and expands over time, it can really add additional data elements and then understand the degree to which that data informs their practice models and gives them a better understanding of where they're really having the impact in the service environment that they're serving. Because ETO software was developed by human service professionals, we know the software has to be easy to use for the folks who are in the field. We know that no one wakes up in the morning waiting to log into ETO software. Our users are driven by mission. They have to be able to get into our software, find what they need, enter the information, and get out quickly with whatever reporting they need to be able to demonstrate that they're making a difference. One of the great things about ETO fundamentals is that we offer a quick start implementation model. This gives an organization the opportunity to start using the software in about 5 weeks. That gives an organization the opportunity to really start laying out its data management strategies and its impact strategies and understanding almost immediately whether it's making a difference in the lives of the individuals it serves.